Good morning, dear students. Welcome to our maths class. So the last class we saw about the multiplication, isn't it? And already I informed you this week we are not going to follow the exercises. Only the topics, the main thing we are going to see. So according to that, today's class we are going to see about the division. Okay, ma? So take your note and be ready. So see here, today's topic we are going to see is division. Division, the other name is quotient. So already the four operations, already I told you all the four operations are having different names. Isn't it? For addition, it is called as sum, subtraction, difference, multiplication is product, and division is called as the quotient. Divide the numbers or find the quotient. Both the questions are same meaning. And symbol is divide. Okay, this symbol is called as the divided symbol. And division, what is the meaning of division? It is nothing but repeated subtraction. What is the meaning of multiplication, Ra? It is repeated addition, isn't it? So the same thing here, division, it is based on the repeated subtraction. Okay, so for example, see here, if you are having the number 35 divided by 7. Okay, we want to find the answer for this. By repeated subtraction method, we are going to find it. So first, write the first number, subtraction, minus 7. Okay, so subtraction, second number to the first number, and first number should be the bigger number. If it is a smaller number, we have to borrow. So the same thing, the first number is the smaller number. So I am borrowing from the nearest place. So 5 becomes 15 and the before number is 2. 3 before number is 2. Now 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So how many fingers are here? 8 fingers. So the answer is 8. Now here only the number is 2. Okay. So now again the same second number, minus 7. So 7 after 8. One number. It is 21. Again minus 7. Since 1 is a smaller number, I am borrowing. 1 becomes 11. 2 becomes 1. Now 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11. So how many fingers are here? 4 fingers. Here the number is 1. Write the number as it is. Again minus 7. Up to 0 you have to subtract. So here also it is a smaller number. So I am borrowing. 4 becomes 14 and the one previous number is 0. Now 7 to 14. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So how many fingers are here? 7 fingers. 7. Here 0. Again minus 7. Only the second number should be repeatedly subtracted. So both the numbers are same. So the answer is 0. So up to 0 you have to subtract. Now we want to count how many 7 is there. See here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many times it comes? 5 times. So the answer is 5. So when you are multiplying these two numbers also, you should get the bigger number. See here, you know already I told you for multiplication and subtraction, division, which is very important. Tables is very important, isn't it? So yeah, if you are multiplying these two numbers, you should get this number. So 7 into 5. If you are multiplying 7 into 5. So 7 5s are 35. You are getting the bigger number, first number. Okay, so the answer is correct. Now, so this is repeated subtraction. If you are dividing using the division, what you have to do means the first number. Okay, first put the symbol like this. Okay, so the first number, bigger number, write it inside. And the second, the smaller number, write it before the bracket. Okay, so this is the way you have to divide the numbers. Okay, this is the way you have to write it first. So put the symbol like this, a bracket and a line. So the bigger first number inside the bracket and the second number outside the bracket. Now see here, see the first number, actually the number should be bigger than the divisor. Okay, so see here the number is smaller. So what you have to do, you have to take both the numbers. So in 7th table, we have to see how many times 5 comes. See here, 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35. So you are getting the number 35, isn't it? So 35, 7th table, how many times? 5 times, isn't it? So the 5 is the answer. Now what you have to do? Write the answer above the line. 5. So 7 5 is the 35. You have to write the answer below also. And after writing, you have to subtract. Okay, ma? So see here. Here the number to be divided, that is 35. 35 is called as the dividend. The number we are dividing is called as the dividend. And we use the table 7. Isn't it? So 7 is called as the divisor. Divisor. And one more thing now, actually in addition, subtraction and multiplication we will be starting from right to left, isn't it? But in division we will move from left to right. Okay, so from the left side you have to move it to the right side, only in division. Keep that in mind. In addition, subtraction, multiplication we will move from right to left, but in division we will move from the left to right. Okay, and the answer is the above the line you are writing the number, isn't it? That is called as the answer, and it is called as quotient. So 5 is called as the quotient, and here the after subtracting you are getting the answer, isn't it? That is called as the remainder. R-E-M-A-I-N-D-E-R. Okay, ma? So it is called as the remainder. So see here, after this no number is there, that the sum has been over. So this is the dividend, divisor, quotient and the remainder. And this division is done from the left side to the right side. Okay, da? So I want you to write all these in your note also, da? Because these are all very, very important. So repeated subtraction means this is the method of repeated subtraction. And this is the method of division. Okay, shall we see some sums? Yes. Now we will see the first sum. So see here, the sum is 5536 by 8. Okay, so now we are going to do the solution. So write it as solution, and division I told you to put the symbol like this, isn't it? So the number, that is the dividend, this is called as the dividend. Write it inside the bracket, and 8 is the divisor. Write it outside the bracket. Now see here, first take the first number. I told you the first number should be bigger than the divisor. So here it is bigger or smaller? It is smaller. So what you have to do? You have to take both the numbers. Okay, ma? So you have to take both the numbers. And I told you tables you should be very, very thorough, isn't it? So 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24. Okay, now see here, if you want you can write the tables in the rough column so that it will be easy for you to do the sums. Now see here, the first numbers we have taken as 55. So see in the product side whether 55 is there. No. So the bigger number 56. What you have to do? You have to, if the number is not there, you have to take the nearest smallest number. So 56 is the bigger number. So to 55, the nearest smallest number is 48. So 48, 8 table it is 6 times. So it is 6 8s are 48. Either the number should be there. If the number is not there, we should take the nearest smallest number. Okay. If you are taking the biggest number, you are not able to subtract the number. Only the smallest number will be subtracted. So now put the minus symbol and do the subtraction. So borrow 15 and here 5 becomes 4. Here 8, 15. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So totally we are having 7 fingers. Here both the numbers are same. So the answer is 0. Now next what you have to do? You have to bring the next only one number down. Not both the numbers. So after bringing one number down, see the number is now 73. So see 73 in this? No. 80 biggest number. So that nearest smallest number is 72. So 72 8 table how many times? 9 times. So write 9. First you write the number here. 9 8s are 72. Now what you have to do? You have to subtract. So put the subtraction symbol. Now here 2 to 3. 2 after 3. So we are having one finger. Here both the numbers are same. So the answer is 0. Now bring the next number down. Okay, we want to bring one numbers down. So next number is 6. So now here the number is 16. So see here 16. 8 table how many times? 2 times. So 2 8s are 16. So both the numbers are same. So the answer is 0. Now you write the answer. Quotient Q. Q for quotient. Which is the quotient here? 692. So 692 is the quotient and the remainder it is 0. Okay ma? So that's the thing, division has been over. So be careful, without knowing the tables correctly, it is not possible to do the division sums down. So if you are having any confusion, you can write the tables in the rough column and with the help of the tables you can write it. Okay, but writing this table also you have to write without seeing. Don't use the tables book. Okay ma, have the practice of not using the tables book. Okay, shall we see the sum? Next sum ma? Yes, so write this in your note also da. We will go to the next sum. Now see the second sum da. So the first sum we saw that the divisor is having only single digit number. But here the divisor we are having 2 digit numbers. So if you are having 2 digit numbers, what you have to do? Okay, so if you know the 12th table, no problem da. So first you write the number 672 inside the bracket and 12 outside. So first what we will do means we will write the tables first. You know that 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are. So if you don't know means multiply it and write 2 twos are 4, 2 ones are 2. Most of you know the 12th table. If you have any doubt, you can write the tables first by multiplying the, so that you will not make the mistakes while doing the sum. Here 3 twos are 6, 3 ones are 3. And then 12 into 4. 4 twos are 8, 4 ones are 4. 12 into 5. 5 twos are 10, so 0, 1. 5 ones are 5 plus 1, 6. And then 12 6 are. 6 twos are 12. 6 ones are 6 plus 1, 7. 12 into 7. 7 twos are 14. 7 ones are 7 plus 1, 8. 12 8s are. 8 twos are 16. 8 ones are 8 plus 1, 9. 12 9s are. 9 twos are 18. 9 ones are 9 plus 1, 10. And then 12 10s are. So see here, 1 10. 12 ones are 12. You are having 1 0. So you can put the 0 as it is. Okay, so this is the 12th table. Now we will start the dividing the sum. See here, the first number is 6. So 6 is the, whether it is able to divide the number 6 da? No. Why? Because the number should be bigger than the divisor. But 6 is bigger than divisor. No. So what you have to do? You have to take the nearest number. It is 67. So now see here where 67 comes. 60. After that 72. Bigger number. So the nearest smaller number is 60. So 60 how many times it comes? It comes 5 times. So here it is 5. So 5 times it is 60. Now we are going to subtract. 0 to 7. 0 after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 fingers are here. Now bring the next number down. Here it is 72. So 72 6 times. So 6 times 6 12s are 72. When you are subtracting, both the numbers are same. So the answer is 0. Now the sum has been over. The quotient is 56 and the remainder is 0. Okay. If any of the sum, if you get the remainder means you can write the remainder as it is. Okay ma. So write this also in your note neatly da. We will see one more sum here. So take down this in your note. Here the next sum, it is 18,735. You have to divide it by 31. So first shall we write the tables? So see here 31 into 1 it is 31. 32 into 2. Sorry, 31 into 2. 2 ones are 2, 3 twos are 6. So it is 62. And then 31 into 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. 31 into 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12. 31 into 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15. 31 into 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 threes are 18. 31 into 7. 7 ones are 7, 7 threes are 21. 31 into 8. 8 ones are 8, 8 threes are 24. So it is 248. Next, 31 into 9. It is 9 ones are 9, 9 threes are 27. 31 into 10. So 1 0, put that 0. So because 0 after no number is there, so you can write the 0 as it is. 31 ones are the same, 31. So here the number is 310. Now the table has been over. So see here, if you are taking 1, it is smaller than the divisor. If you are taking the second number 8, it is also 18. It is also smaller than the divisor. So what you have to do? You have to take 187. Okay. So we have to take 187. See here, 187 is there. See here, no. 217. So 87. The nearest smallest number is 186. 31 table. How many times it comes? It comes 6 times. It comes 6 times. So write it as 6, 186. So now we are going to subtract. 6, 7. 6 after 7. So 1. Here both the numbers are same. So it is 0. And here also same. It is 0. Now bring the next number 3. What is the number here? It is 13. So 13 is the smallest number, isn't it? So it cannot be divided in this 31st table. So we want to bring the next number also down. So the same place we are bringing 2 numbers. So what you have to do means put a 0 here and then bring the next number. Because there should be a change. Okay, why means in the same place you are bringing 2 numbers at the same time. Since it is not divided, 13 is not divided by 31, we want to bring the next number also. So for that what you are doing? Put a 0 in the quotients place and then bring the next number. Okay, now what is the number here? 135. It is the biggest number. Now see 135. 155, biggest number. So the nearest to smallest number is 124. How many times it comes? 4 times. So 4 times it is 124. Now we are going to subtract. 4 minus 5. 4 after 5. So 1. Here 2 after 3. 2 after 3. So only one number. One finger. 1. Here both the numbers are same. So the answer is 0. After this any number is there? No. So that the sum has been over. So here the quotient is 604 and the remainder it is 11 is the answer. Okay, did you understand, ma? So any doubt in this? Take down this also in your note and then today's homework will be based on this division sums only. So please understand the sums carefully and then do it. Okay, ma? Yes. So that the class has been over. I will meet you in the next class. Thank you. Bye. See you.